Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the project. Welcome back to a new video. So we started off this morning digging. You can see the guys have done a great job. They started or completed the digging of this trench. You can see also we've cut some pipes here as well. And I've been out shopping. I've just got back with some drainage pipe and an inspection chamber. So today's job is to start installing the pipe work and disconnect these old drains and get them all ready so we can get our foundations completed as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you at the end. Take care. So we ran into a little issue here. We realized there was a crack in this drain, so we ended up having to break it off and dig around it, which took a little while, but dig around it under the house so that we could get the connection to a good stable piece of pipe. That's what happens with these clay pipes. They're very brittle, so you've got to be very, very careful. So this is where we got to today, guys. We've got some of the drainage connected. We need to get an adapter to connect the main outlets, which they didn't have in stock, so I'll pick up one somewhere else tomorrow. The trench is completely dug out as well, and we are still waiting for final confirmation on what we're doing on this left hand side here. It looks like there might be some underpinning gonna happen here, so we'll let you know as we progress. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Thanks for watching.